Zudru Hodma Naka Abo for Chenha. There are places omuni pot, omuni tell water my pots. I cast if you omuni bio. Omuni bi. I'm telling you this. Omuni bi. And to omuka omunyoma beba omuti so omushipu free. Ghana, Nigeria, those places are your see na yetimi ade yoma faban. No ma be. Omunyoma bo for chain yenya omu du. These are issues that we are facing as a country. Now, anopai mami ni komomra. Na many His Eminence. The term friend is Eminence, no. He's unbiased. Lawyer Paul Kumi is a private legal practitioner. Na many papa ni komo anopai na yenti Cecilia Abnada pa enkomo. Kanso anopai ma chen. Me pa chona wadaruma empom to say.
Wadaruma me hoye. It is a was so hoye.
Kanso nyame adom ya ho ya pa. Atiefo Jos anopai. Mami Musa wo. Ye mami Cecilia Abnada pa formally now na ye sanitation minister. Na ensemba wadaruma menim se wo wanim. Ma ye hye nkomo na si ye pa mfiri ho. Ebra eba ase mami no sika bi ho no ma ne nkwada bi akwa free ni fie na it is a $1 million. We have more than 300 euros, 350 Ghana cedis. Sika a doso wa office of special prosecutor friend mami. Council, yan shas yen free baby asemi free any baby abedu. Wadaruma o general overview you say.
Well, normally no say war property or fee. That's no property no ayera. Now war cause to suspect say a particular person and a fire. And I say, evidence even to support say if I call a fire and I'm put in Pakrono in the act of stealing or say to call report to that case, and the police. I think this is what happened in the case of Cecilia Dapa on KB. I will fear no. Your imagine say someone call report to our police station. Police station go for so I was so on one. Now it be any I found say it be on one which me emphasize the cano. Chiromo believes them on one some the all no some kind. I'm a police for society or more courts. I know a honor I know you see about
Council, asem we ye blown out of proportion. Says sika will be feared no be akofa bi na anka ya asemana.
I don't think so. Say anything is being blown out of proportion. I don't think so. I can say and yeah, correct. Says Yanapa and our reports to the police and again for the matter to go before in the court. Meaning to be a what is an issue is the fact that this amount of money is with a particular person. Now, let us also take it from the perspective set. It was not said that that was the whole amount of money that was in the house. They are saying that out of the amount of money that were in the house, the various quoted sums of money, house helps you or so how much indeed can one see was in the house? Was it 10 million? Was it $10 million, 10 million euros, 10,000 Ghana cedis, 100,000, 100 million Ghana cedis? What is it? Those are the issues that amount for Ekanwasa. Obia Emma Onone thinking about it. But the point again is that there is no law which criminalizes people keeping their monies in their homes. There is nothing to that effect.
Council, me patrol now. Invitation of or even the arrest of office of the special prosecutor. Now, where do you care for office in home bay?
Yeah, the office of the special prosecutor, it is set up investigate perceived corrupt activities of politically exposed persons. Sisadapa is one of those politically exposed persons. She happens to be a minister. This amount of money has been found in her house.
Sompa
So, in the normal scheme of things, one will have to ask himself or herself, you are being and Sisadapa no oye. Aside the ministerial duties here or carry out, that she have a business which can give her that amount of money. And one will have to investigate the source of this money. Even that very 1 million, yes, I don't know. How did he come by that money? And of course, we have this until money laundering and whatnot. There are various legal and now laws you bring under for purposes of investigation. And of course, even if we are going to investigate the source of that money, we will then have to proceed with the issue as to whether or not that amount of money if it is what she describes as her own money, it means this is money that will have been earned. Money earned is an income. Into what you have income tax. I have to say what you was this kind of one. So these are various questions that will have to be answered by the other part.
So where Obi Beka say, it comes back to say there be a say asset declaration, Yamfanya Juman, and it has nothing to do with this.
Asset declaration, if people are to keep truthfully to it, then it will be of use. But you agree with me, sir, most of these politicians, they do not register their property in their own names. If they should be open a bank account, they open a bank account in pseudonyms or with close friends or relations. You realize that the special prosecutor, beyond his other partner, or interview with the relations near others, because the possibility is that some of these relations, will serve as decoys or facades behind whom, some illegally acquired monies, could be paid. It's, yes, you can have a president asset declaration for me, but to what extent? Again, this asset declaration, the way it is now, it is something that is deposited somewhere, and that you publish it graphic and times and any of these nationwide papers even. For instance, the Papono banner from say, Mercy dying see our Mercy dying see our Mercy dying see our. That's one for a dining be away see a be a bank at one. Somebody may know much about that person. Like I said, if you decide, and then we have the Japan home. Then if you are not a Japan, and I said, then we want bank home. But this is me to say, for me, it is not so much of the asset declaration form when a person is coming to office. I want there to be a comparison between the asset declaration form at the time the person was coming to be an officer, and after that person, has also left that particular office. So, for instance, if somebody happens to be a minister of education, Nasa, the asset declaration indicates that this is what he has. I would expect to say, where the person is even removed from that position and he ceases to be, say, a minister, And to say to me, you have been a minister for 3 or 4 years. We are giving you maybe 3 days or 1 week. Give us a revised version of what assets were declared. And when that thing is sitting down, no, it will have to be published because it is possible. People will know, say, sign it, will see that we were, so that he doesn't go to write any other thing that, or yeah, or maybe. Unfortunately, no. We have much noise made about this asset declaration, and yet the usefulness to which those asset declarations, are made, are not effectively put.
I'm for baby so can say. Cause I know you don't want to go there, but I'm from course say even mommy free no. Yes, I cut for election appointment. I for free. It wasn't necessary. Council, who say as of mine, then who here says I reappointment.
Definitely, there should be an appointment. Even if it's left 1 month, you see, a ministry will have to have somebody who will be the directing mind. And for most times, like it is the minister who is the directing mind, even though we have the chief directors and other people. Because the chief director, they are public officials. I mean, they will probably do the various paid work and all that. But when it comes to the green light being given for certain decisions to be taken, it is the minister who should do that. I don't also subscribe to this idea of a minister being given an additional responsibility to say, I will just account with the other one. The ministry is such a huge ministry which needs all the attention. You are signing documents, you are discussing issues with people. So for me, I can't 1 week, fine. But in the case of these appointments that have been made, I believe that even the lady who has now been made the minister, of the ministry, she happens to be a minister of state. So it is not going to be a case where she has to go before Parliament. So she goes there immediately and takes over activities in the ministry. So I do not subscribe to that idea. Say, I can't hear about your friend saying 1 year, 5 months into the entry. No, we cannot give the whole ministry like that. As I said, if I can't come out to Sompa, we should appoint a minister over there. It is not for nothing. I can say when it comes to a member of parliament, it is about 6 months to an election, and I appointed, elected a member of parliament. Other than that, because over the laws and others about the year, into which or without that person, any impact is so negatively on the activities. But for a ministry, it's a different ballgame.
Where your Mammy Musao as a Ghanaian, Anessa Bruhahai, as of mine, if any advisor, then ye.
Let me see what is happening cannot be described as a bra. I think that Ghanaians are not even showing that we are concerned enough. We are not showing that we are angry enough. I am not talking specifically about that's not the area I'm looking at. I'm looking at the seeming irresponsible statements being made by some of these government communicators and government apparatus. You listen to a whole district chief executive about the case. Oh, you who are my ministry, Nkwantabisa or more contracts, almost the bonds, possible some bonds are $2 million. How can we have such a person continue to remain in a position? He is a definition of corruption. He is somebody who is going to definitely, siphon monies away, and he will look for very warped and queer excuses to justify what he has done. We also have somebody come to say, a member of parliament, come to say, oh, Cecilia, oh yeah mistake and I said you guys we just can't have the boss of cry it's not how they show because of why should Cecilia not come and complain if she has genuine explanation, as to those monies that are in her house. I have said earlier on that it is not a crime to keep your money in your house. And if she should report this, now investigations are made. Investigations indicate to say yes, she's been involved in other activities that a man is able to produce payments, receipts, and whatnot. She is also able to indicate to say she's paid appropriate taxes on those monies. Why should somebody think it is just politically risky to come and talk about this? Such a person is also telling you, say, or no, so Oyesika, and that's of I my sika, or my meka, because Obanas of Meka, and that's some bebro. He has not spoken about the fact that people should not take money. But he's even saying that look, when you take the money and some of it gets lost, keep quiet and keep the rest. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You look at the letters that came from Sisidadapa, tendering her resignation, and the response that came from the presidency.
Exactly. And then the next question, Frank Ambebuza said the response itself.
It should tell you, sir, these people take Ghanaians for a ride. Because we are now using dear, as if say some two lovers be letters. You see, in such a situation, letters will have to be as brief and as terse as is possible. Every committee, anybody, every serve as a comment or a prejudicial statement in respect of the issue now. Also, so Sister Dapa could have simply just put, a 3-line letter, right? I formally tender in my resignation. I believe the current issue could be disturbing to government, and for which reason I don't want same to happen to the running of administration. I so announce my resignation. Simple. So the letter from the presidency should just be the president accepts your resignation and wishes you well in future endeavors. Short. But if you are not going to say, I am sure your integrity, your support for the government, and a whole lot of it. What is that? I'm sure you at the end of it all, your integrity will be re-established. But what are we saying? The presidency saying, say, Niama for Canina, Enkusiaga, on the Ojite, Sikano, Ayakuno, Ewo, Mamedohono, joining Mount, and I be a I am a lawyer. You realize that from all the statements about my Siciano, I have not come to any conclusion. Say, Sika, Yakoku, Ewo, Sister Pahono, and your Oman Sika. We are. I hope that's what I'm saying.
Exactly, Council.
Or a minister of state. Now there's a possibility to say she will have signed various documents. A microphobia contract. A new maybe. Right? Now these contractors, after they are finished with their work, they probably want to show some gratitude. And no Ghanaian will tell me, say, a bus or your papa will be. As you get the Bacono bus of Abendana, say, a back chance of Nipapa, a question. Right?
Exactly.
So it is possible that persons that Sister Dapa in her capacity as a minister of state,
Yeah.
will have helped to get into certain situations which are favorable in their lives, might have also come to show some gratitude through some of these gifts, right? It is not a crime in Ghana to receive gifts. The only thing is that if the gift given to you is in excess of a certain value or amount, then you have to go and pay the gift tax. That is what our law says.
To GRA, okay.
Right. But because I mean whether this is how Adapa got her money, and because I cannot also say for a fact that where Ghana involves the Adapa or I will have to tell you, and that is why I am happy we have the Office of the Special Prosecutor and some other state agencies undertaking these investigations. At the end of the day, we will know where it will go. But I will say, it is hugely unfortunate to say, as a Minister of State, Abia more advising for say, Musical Bank or Bank. I then know one person is taking a bank or bank. A dear bank and a person or high here, of say, or this kind of effort to bank ever exposure. Because it is always safer to keep your money there. Again, I know people who have kept their money in the banks. And as I that SCG are banking the Kikanwi. So the value of their money have been reduced because of this that undertaking under the IMF. While we are Minister of State who sacrifice more and sacrifice. Oh, yes, I sacrifice in Libya. When we say money is kept at the bank can be affected by the present debt exchange a program way. It's all the have to see. It is a you go for the so by 30% or 15%. Who are we saying sacrifice? So those are the issues which may be political or moral, right? But until it's established, you can't know a state money that has been looted. I believe that we will have to all keep quiet, watch on, but we must show enough anger and disgust as to how the present governance in this country is also. But it looks like people don't respect the populace. They just come out and say anything. You have a fellow lawyer coming to say, what is 1 million Ghana cedis? Yeah. You have Cocoa Food coming to say, what is 1 million cedis? Because people buy parcels of land at cantonments for 1 million cedis. Yes, people can buy it at 10,000. People can buy it at 10 million. People can buy it at 1 billion. We are saying in the specific reference to this gentle lady, she is a minister of state. We have seen this amount of money with her. She should come and tell us the source of that money. If it is convincing, she proceeds with her work. If it is not convincing, then we know that she has been corrupt. And to the extent of corruption, she will have to suffer the penalty for it. That is what it is. So we should rather talk harshly to these government or pro-government members or institutions. That is what is a bit sickening.
Council, I'm not paying Yamisha. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Lawyer, Yaneka say, needing any lawyer Paul Kumi or a private legal practitioner. Mr. Sompa 98.9 Facebook. Join me, CCA. Then who lawyer, Meneneka say, who name Amami. Na me, me can't say much on there. Me I got some down for pa lawyer Morris and Paul say, and another lawyer Kumi can say. So what is $1 million? Me ba. baba be gina fidie nani mo am say $1 million ye there no me ba obehu $1 million. There's a joke in her eyes. Meba is here. What are meba? Meba?
Jimmy D. Se sika eba wo wallet mu straighter. Eye koko kra. Asidan koma ZPay mobile money. Sisi ade. Wadofo betumi di sika afa wo MoneyGram so. Ama na beto wo ZPay mobile money wallet so direct. Abre biara sika beba wo wallet no mu no. Wonsaka 10 cedi sika chede. But *270#. Na fa hu sem Jimmy D akwenya bebre a akwansidie biara nimu na mum insise kakra wo ho.
The system has nothing on her. Those in power fear what she can do. She is Madame, and she is here. On one hand, she's a humanitarian, and on the other, she's using them to seduce men in power for favors. Madame is a new drama series that explores the evils of an uncontrolled system where young women are exploited. Showing Mondays to Fridays at 8 p.m. on Aquaba Magic, DSTV channel 150 and Go TV channel 102. Stay connected on *759#.
Franco Trading Enterprise. Oh, your buffer say. Mabusiane Franco Abusiane Shaye. Yen share how ba kokura say. The shase kitwe bi ni mobile phone so. There is Samsung, iPhone, Infinix, Tecno, yen Nokia no jajai. Say Abusiane nyo. Dodona na ba be ka. Smart TVs are shase free 32 inches kosi 55 inches. Baba mo frana tenefi. I am renew TV series ne soka ne so kepe family. Franco air conditions from a pepebi. Shase free 1.5 2.0 and a 2.5 horsepower energy saving. Accessories there. P now. Screen protectors, chargers, power banks, Bluetooth earpiece, AirPods. Ne diakani now Franco Trading Enterprise. Yambo bossy Francophone SI wholesaler. Ya toma one pese bitu ne koton ne jemfa zogu omboto. Franco ye juma joda kosi memeneda anopa 8:30 kosi enyumre 7:45. Sunyani obenkoko board runabout. Only OA bus station in a buenimshe. Fra one 020-276-5836. Franco Trading Enterprise. Still phone papa fie.
Onipa de obenya pomodin a ne wudi na wonom no eno na mo apomodin eno ntina abenfo hye you are what you eat.
Ne santina Garden Herbal and Organic Shop abe pie Sunyani krobia we ma e boa ya pomodin.
Garden ya dwumakuo bi a yeto abibiduro hodo bia bi wo ho abibiduro a eboa sha yade bi te she diabetes, stroke, hypertension, malaria, typhoid ene nyarewa hodo a mitim modin afi wo bia wo so na opese ne so te oba ho a yebenya nura ma
enya no nko a ope organic product any food supplement a ebo to yarewa afia oba ya so e ho so a obenya bi se ope garden enya yira kwan kra ye wo Sunyani krobia we mo Absa Bank road no ultra top asoridan na aponsa ye to so mienu ase ho pe na garden ewo
se ankrankro pe bi ato ana ope bi atu ana ye de bre o waso ye no frɛ number we 020905936 ana 024577593.
Garden, God's answer to health is nature.
In this time of the year, as I said, Nyame fan a D4 so kasayen, and untina Bishop Collins Nyakwa, a founder and general overseer, Well of Salvation Ministries, Ashishe Jumedi Ayatunidin, the Supernatural Visitation 2023. Jumedi Ayase and Yaton Sadia Fre Bishop Kakra Baden, and Fiepi, Nanyamenam Yem Papeso, a pie or jeer, and if I hudie Amadasa, and Untinshia Mudie, so you who fimwa, what should ye yepa? Nyamenam Jumedi so, Bemani Pepi, and ya warm dance here, and Tiafiwe, Obia Oshisha. Dance and Centrania, a Tiase Efi Namenchain. Yena Yenshia Ewo Well of Salvation Ministries, the Act Temple, a Brack of Arbai, Bishop Collins Nyaku, Atom Sanfre, Bishop Kakra Baden, Jumadi Bekoso Yawada 27, and if you die 28th of July 2023, and you reno num debia, na if you adano, Jumadi Bekosum Yenu, Arapano Watche, and no your special leadership session. I Ashadiama pastors, church leaders, any workers, Nana Num Reno Num, Obia to me baby. Jumadi Bekoso Well of Salvation Station Main Auditorium, Metrediac Temple, Ewo Abisim, and it's St. James Seminary Senior High, and Adea in Mpepe, Fred 0591 711 113. The Supernatural Visitation 2023. Bra, now be now far hodie.
Question way, wow be no pedansa, negative 3 points. Manenko good. Travel and tour company ben na wagana ha. Or can ukran wajin hudi enti. E wiase o man bia wade wo koso no. Otumi betena TV ni radio so. E ka ho price kura kire wo. Nanso anfeli.
Sir.
Hold on, I'm coming. Sa travel and tour company kro ya. Waka cho so apadwuma, accommodation, ene ho salary e wa brochira ma wo a. Obekọ sa pepepe. Say your school and na holiday na okron so a. Ote ne te me patcho me hunu. Hold on. Odoman for ko US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Poland, Romania, Cyprus, Cuba, Malaysia, Indonesia, Australia, Dubai. Just say if you are saying never on to me when you see car.
And your last chance travel and tour.
And your last chance travel and tour so ampa.
Was higher ticketing and reservation simple crap.
Mama bonus wo.
Oh yeah.
Kumasi Obuokom Junction, opposite Church of Christ down. No bani 360 pharmacy for 0543 565 968. And Accra, Kiseman Junction, Dimpanya Chimata Kwanoso for 0553 985 231.
Oh George, me see, asasi miguso. Now so would you measure? Okay, any bye bye.
Adea, what pass as in a one country?
Me see, George is men pass as in man not mean who be a many beer.
Now what you are some say woman mean tipsy. What did Dumas Save Ventures in car?
Dumas Save Ventures, I was never could be more.
What is Sunyani Kuroya, Muna Nadia, and Sassy some dear Dumas by ye at your chat. So what pass as Sibiato, and now crown will be now per so ton one. What the Kwama will be the Mama. I face a woofy been a woozy, now we a yen up as a waton, and I was here we crown up as a waton one. And also with you, Mapa, a whoop a diagram here. Dumas Save Ventures is a bra, now obey a woman. Bibi to sell road construction, mixed farming, general trading, several words, sale of every materials in an with you, Duma. And until Nadia Dumas in tea, Nsasi Sham, Nina to a trap, or quack now tidy everyone, Chancellor, and one crack as Emina, Jopoa, a Hubia, any actually.
Miss Rob one and I mean who may be our more.
Dumas Save Ventures, our Sunyani, Power Avenue, any Brony store lane no, a bar basic man, municipal hospital lane no, one sabem kumsoa, don't go so up anyway. Over to many Dumas Save Ventures, adding comma, our 024 32 61 709 and a 050 74 27 433. Dumas Save Ventures, Yendin, any a honam essay.
Empenyi kan ya wo mwa se wode waso tie no na wode wani femu metiye na medi mani famu na mahu se anokwa eniema pa wo baabi ebusuafo emre kakrani na mi pefufu machine na obofuo bi dom me kotre me James Tech Genuine Electrical Engineering ene se madani wo mu PRO yo na me kodru ho no eniema pa ni se nye fufu machine ku me hu generators high pressure energizer, godless drill, demolition breaker, drill machine, spray gun, wedding machine, electric motor, diamond disc, any afufro pii. Na se wo ye carpenter ni, eniema bia ubehia de akoye adwuma, ubenya bi ewo ho. Wo ye mason ni, wonso wakade wo ho. Plumbers, wonso wakade ni na bi ewo ho. Na tilers, monso machines wo ho. Na kai se, eniema bia ubeton wo James Tech, esaya, osanso siesi. Eniema die onua gise wodi wani akofam na afei hyene nsoma me se eniema so to a mebubo so yi ni nada osanso de ma han na baabi a yakoho abanso ne yese ho amane enti na wo behia eniema mebubo so yi ni na bi eni afoforo pii akeka ho a eni e fa woni kyeremu ewo James Tech Genuine Electrical Engineering wo Sunyani magazine first gate na ne nkrabata ne bi wo Rex Sunyani woni our sense sportswear no na di anim hwepe any James Tech ninsa woso ewo 0505 016 771 anaso say 0549 893 722 James Tech Genuine Electrical Engineering for wani kofam netobi behind bi ne besiesie empenyi kan ya wo mwa se wode waso tie no na
Oh, George, me see.
Nadia Manaskai, me copy mana estimate ya mam. I go POP vira. Nadia sisima mi rambo.
But I say, Obeto materials na seminko tombro.
Bobande me here.
Over here, seminar womedy POP. And I say, oil, womedy POP. And me put cooking oil.
Oh, open your mouth, command. And I get more can
if you're right, and this house. So, Pesaminia, a Juma Papa Maudia. Oh, here POP cement. Fiber no. You want tinting any case long and short. Binding wire. Any oil. Na share say beyene meye Juma Papa Mawintino. Opa yen. Na mento fiber no. Long one e betche. Me wientem na ye quality so.
Ono kure kwenti. Iskakotobra ni sunya. Menya stra
yes, Sunya had it. Any fear pre, any impatemu, any able POP no. Baby Bako pe any fire near Yefreho or Hima Enterprise. Or Hima Enterprise. Saukowa, POP cement no, and any product no. Egugumbe brew, but the quality one or Hima Enterprise Etonwa, Obia so the any POP. Aye, sky deco type ni afe POP materials bianin accessories. Cement, fiber ya mekan, say long and a short. Binding wires, do beer or pato. Na angwano, ye will pay dimpo. And it ye pay your POP. Sizes of beer or from you ho. Brass. So what ton do more? I want sen kaye. What do you call chili swa? Hima Enterprise. I will kia or hwa. But beer or beer or the bedroom. And the bandia my Hima Enterprise. I will fear pre council. Or Hima Junction. What is your air coffee pre? What's your gas filling station na? I won't send the fanwa. Last store. Baby, almost so Nadia no. Abrosan green no. I see a storeroom number 8. So if you fear preso and a echo gas filling station now, and no ne dikai Abrosan Krona first store down. POP material sashemu baby I will be Fre Ohima Enterprise 020-3721-906 na 055-668-4415 and kwa Fafa 055-460-8345.
Anya Irankwai Ohima Enterprise Yepre Ohima Nkwanta mi bao.
Esai Ban Herbal Center na juma power ye ewo my Ghana won team say be on bia say your boni dia ni yes atemfo pan aye adwuma so no eno nti total drivers ne taxi drivers so omo de omo ben no ebo na Ekire yare sa Ban Herbal Center edema say no mpem yade asitire yade stroke netete or fibroid why emre ewo mpem ana wo mfichikomu hawo ekoma ekuro na atuwa fobro Ban Herbal Center na fa we yade enkonsan fa mada enfonse mama yade dimpra ni beje yaresa e wo Ban Herbal Center Kumase Ban Herbal Center e wa tonsu agogo ye be agogo government hospital achiriwa frɛ wo 0244083482 atamfo ba nyare wanyina ebe joane ba
Miko bi na manka bi de enye nanso mprempi no enam yese ene nkabone a efriye no mu banti yentume nsrimpo na ya kyerɛ ya adwene ewo bibi ho nanso ɔhaye nyina ato atwa efri sɛ reflex toothpaste aba adwaso or the aloe vera gel na aye reflex toothpaste enti eboyese no ho ban mane ye den na sanso tie enum wobenya reflex toothpaste ewo supermarket bia reflex toothpaste sere ne kasawa hotosuom enkratwe FDA agiatum.
Afeni ehunu papa no bank mu obrimpon nie bank mu asiamri bank mu samansia bank mu dasebre bank mu buanya obua mu anya ade enne se ebosi kakura bia bidin asanemrane a na Sunyani area teachers cooperative credit union wana mfie aduasa ne akire nie wandi nyamisro ahofama ene no kredie asom won customers osompa ma ne obia esa wo mrane Sunyani teachers credit union ema odwadi fi obosi a ehodwo ema wande se wo nwuma ase afoforo ade tre wo nwuma na dodo na nso ene nam wo bosi aso aye japade akese wanje special deposit account na current accounts, service accounts, susu accounts, ye straight accounts emu bi a opese obi no so betunya abue bi ewo waso ho ama no ayedie one corporate future plan no ebesisi udachi ama adwumanfo wona katua efa ho enim ahokyere esan se ebere bi a wo hia sika no won enya bi wona atoto shares wo ho edwiri emfaso akese na won ma won customers sika sam wo futu ema won de pagya won numa wasinwe na akrade nso obetia kwagene wo ho ama no ayedie ampani se oba o mecha ware ase no otubantia onua na nso Sunyani area teachers de ba bi a wo ba bi won krabata no wankasa gye wan asase esi won dai ade kyerɛ sɛ won aba transie ene mo kasa yi ɔwon krabata ɛwɔ twidie ɛdɔm ankwanta attachment ya nso won ben Roma soda no pɛ wona adwuma ne ti ɛwɔ Sunyani area 4 kwajasko koso na kyiri pɛ ampani fo numbers die 0244 433 113 0261 103 905 Sunyani area teachers cooperative credit union ɔmɛn adehye ɛdamase.
Darling.
Yes, sweetheart.
Obi bought doorbell no. Mama question no.
All right, sweetheart.
Hey, very good you.
Hey, I'm off. Madam for you.
What on for me? Nino ne shed demu ho. If we saw which year Mr. Kiwa. Now who are the young bomo jina ne nice way. Jai. Enya girl.
Kokonsa, Mr. Kiwa, man no jina ne nice way. Oh, Madam Fikra nufi. Oh, bro, the fella. Nene mwana na nsem ho me bana modin tokwan ne emuam no mu na nketeketi.
Sabre no. Na on sha same farm Mr. Kill.
Mr. Kill, ati me stress so. And the most important one is like my wife is saying. But you be say. Remember what the fear do what trade kro. Sompa, Mr. Kill, our pharmacist, herb and chemical shops.
At phone phrase 0244275429 0244275429 and as 0206271016 0206271016 fra homa yisuna do bia wo pe bia yem fama be bia ton do bia nso e ben ana se ko pharmaceutical shop bia e ben wo for the sure na jode
FDA age edweden krato yato.
This place that I know where the pride of the island shows every face.
Onipa biara owo apomuden pa ewo ne se ho no ewo ahotoso kese wei inti na Oak Dental Clinic ene wona nim difo di dwumadie bi ti se wo hohoro se ho wo pese wo pause ne ho wo se na tu wo pese wo hye ye fele ye braces ene ese ho dwumadie biara Oak Dental Clinic apono ebue efijuoda ekosi memenda abra abono nwoche na yapon no num pepepe yen asoye ewo abesim ye ni Jenny Guest House ene di hwe ni mu wo betumi afre yen ewo 020-166-0218 Oak Dental Clinic Yeji Insurance BTC Apex Health Insurance Ace Medical Insurance Nationwide Medical Insurance Gab Health Insurance any Premier Health Insurance Oak Dental Clinic Siwon Kwande nyina.
My name is Emil K. My son just passed his VASE exams with distinction from Ideal College. Wow! Thank you, Ideal College. Sementia Ideal College.
Sunana Abdurazak, Diana Yazana exams daga ID College. Ya pass. Wow! ID College. Basu da Sara.
Acho mi pajo, mene muumbi e pasi wasi exam say Ideal College. Oh, Ideal College. Ina nyepo, mindanyeshi.
Mon nom est Alpha. Mio figlio ha passato son VASE examen con successo del Ideal College. Wow! Merci beaucoup, Ideal College.
Sawatia Dansia, awfo ye dia fa Ideal College ho. Mfinhye duni echi a Ideal College e ba bunu maimi. Omuni obi ehia moda.
Wo dwene ho se wo beko SHS. Na course ben na opese wo ye. General Arts, Business, General Science, Visual Arts, and Home Economics. Enya bra Ideal College na ye ne teacher fo a wonim de na wo sanso ye waye examiners no. Ema won
Your two departments so wasi and media. Your wasi center a suku for no omotwa wasi nsohwe no o ye suku wa wo dwene ho se obeba Ideal College oni Sunyani kodem ha your boarding and hostel facilities emao Ideal College how can you feel
dream big as the ocean.
Me dear na koso wa fun akwa we mim fudie se from nyesu abadro ni si we you na Nitigini ye.
Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Egu ahodo sen. Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Ena Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer. One to away. Netino eye green ahaba mono. Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer. Ena ya ni green no. Ejuma kronwa. Kokonwa so bi ewo dwaso. Ni nyina eye Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Wo product ni bia. Na ahaba mono no green no ena omo dia fa netine ho. Na nsakraya aba ne se Suaba organic liquid fertilizer no. Se de ye munitini mienu yew. Ye buba ko etimi ye adwuma kro no a. Se wonim Suaba organic liquid fertilizer no. Ye de bo vegetables, enkunuma, carrot, cucumber, entos, ene nasefo. Na Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer no. Eye tree crops, cashew, cocoa, mango, ene nasefo. Ene ye 150 ml. Ene so adwuma kro no a. Ebo no bae no ho ban free inyarewo ebewuram. Na no bae no anyini from so. Eye natural. Opac view. Eye company no. Ene ye Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Na Ghana ha, baby amoton agrochemicals bia no. Ubenye bia to. Na bra for ha. Main office. Ewo Sunyani Kotokrom. Aviation kwan no. Oko ya huma. Onsani fa pe. Abrosana edikan no. Ehwa. Dodo bia wo petu aton. Koho. Frewamo 02411800020 and 05967387723. Mofa EPA Laboratory Crop Science Department KNUST for Edano Aje Suaba organic liquid fertilizer atum.
Ghana line ofra obro. Hello Wafa.
Hello.
Wafa nampacho dino modruhin. Na wo ho te sen.
Me ho ye. Ya be wo ya dani yo. Tong ne no ma ba chu tani yefa.
Wafa enu anti amafre wo yo. Na waya na me pe no. To bi mra na menya bi wo Ghana. POP. Me no enka me pe lipa. POP light. Enka me pe German product. Na ye wo waya bi. NLE raka. Enkanka esuro no. Ja esuro no. Aboa so ntimi mfa na no nka. Na afei quality fittings. Menya bi wo Ghana.
Ni dana yesewie fittings. Ni niema we mi menya bi Sunyani. Kofi hwema me hwe.
Wafa enye fittings. Ye friend is fittings. A electrical term. Mami nchile umu. Die open. Ebi wo Sunyani he ya. Ye friend no lipa. POP light no. Size bi ya open. Sa odi she kona hefa. Pe German product no. Eye Jibot electricals nkuwa na Sunyani ha. Odi bi aba. Afei die okan ye no. Ye friend no NLE rackup cable. Eye special cable. Enkanka. Entimi mfa na no. Eja entimi nshi no. Aboa bia nso esu. Eye Jibot electricals nkuwa na Sunyani ha. Owo sa special cable ni bi. Ana se ope seashore cable a free carter. Jibot nkuwa na Sunyani ha. Odi bi aba. Ana se Turkish cable. Eno echi ope cab meter, astrometer, harvest cable, tropical cable. Jibot ewo bi na fittings no kan ye no. Switches, sockets, pipe, any ninia no. Any friend fittings no. Jibot electricals ewo ni nyina bi ewo ho. Afa main switch, harvest, CNS, Schneider, any nasefo oton bi ewo ho. Fan, standing fan, ceiling fan. Afa bulbs ahodo a aba ne modern ones. Jibot electricals say bra.
Akwa waniema. Stowe wine.
Our Sunyani, our rest. Total filling station no. Honorable Oseya. Abrosan mono na emrantia ne etatnase no. Abrosan mono no asie ho Eboho Jibot electrical. Eniema dodo bia obehia no. Eye negotiable. Qualified electricians are ombetimi aboa. Ye ma free delivery. And a discount nso ye adwuma. Only Jibot eni nkomo 0507948 and 0244-241053 and 0242123296. Jibot electricals. Braha for the cables in yina himfie anyhow.
Everybody follow not sa malaria. A treating till you not now. Wogonto malaria chill. Wohopopo. What mean the day? I want you. No, not. A dabako. No, not. A damiano.
no. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat ide scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yen shishemu hu se malaria wa wumujam ansa na wanum Lonat. Na nam yen search na malaria no daso wo hwa ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Mofra eye nyankopon adoma chede mofra eye chede nyankopon de dom awofo enti so ye panyini na wotete akwada na sabofra no se wudi abofra nani wo hye abofra bi ene ya ade a wodi tieti akwada no ne fa hodie so broni se child abuse enti wo se akwada ye mobo na wo hye no ane no adai akwada ketu ete se no watu na jeje mu yi wo hye niema de aso akwada ketu ete se na ne kon nyina tai ti nya omobompu akwada ketu na ade ntade ete se ahye no amna de je nyina gu hoi wonim se odi akwada yi ekwa akoto amaniem atete kwadan na ni osu akwada famu no ya na buru adwene ntiase so why na kabiama akwada yi St. Anselm's Anglican Child and Youth Development Center wone Compassion International Ghana omode nkaibo semi ba wakwan mu na wonim se Ghana mamra no etia se otieti akwada bi fa hodie so de omode a na bodofsu anase any child related institution wo Ghana nyina bona manientam so na woni kuro so a ukoyi wona sotire fa akwada bi atete ho no oma meda wo ho adi kai se enkaiboi St. Anselm's Anglican Child and Youth Development Center one Compassion International Ghana and a deba wakwen.
Children of the future.
Mese, what do you cut on it? O katati ohro dien. Once ya to niemum. Se sa die chia die se via niemo bono se mu yire tare so ya namuni. Nanso adwumaku ba ko pe ene odwene ho nti wose niemo no. Wa tete so. Royal Foam atene niemo so 10%. Oh yes, 10% discount ene odimo bia. Na wasa to ne bo ya fokura wie no. Ne asa chosu yakwa free pillow with the ataju for yatia some do and to with the awesome rainy some way a dimpo no obeda mattress papa so ne board dofom na what does some ye free the so and until found you sick kita one some rainy so beda mattress papa so 10% discount ye free so Royal Foam outlets bia o make them piano or recordo over to me a friend 020 227 1000 Royal Foam was so radio promo. Rest assured.
Now fear Diana, only man, I'm fearing you. If you're a friend, not just in what person or boss one. Now you're sure if you're very. The secret is Joy Chem Company Limited. Oh, Madam, fear. Joy Chem Company Limited. A chance in Ice Beer, a bit to say IBR, IDT, SSR, self lock, circular, tile, and shingles. Now, my dear, my Joy Chem phone chance in a dance so cry for the Joy Chem Company Limited. For one Casamu factory, or one of which chancing, where your agent may be. So usika sam kra hawa omo akwenya omo de be faso na wa faso no wetwa scan kakran ombe some free transport adie bi o ema omo chance ne dance no say e kra strong gala cotton ema omo chance ne mpa ema no so anwe na nche nsoto so enyino hwehwe Joy Chem Company Limited e was Sunyani DRA Poly Runabout Ben Goyle Filling Station promo 054 0125 818 locate the main factory on the Techiman Kumasi Road e was Hanswa Brigade. Yeah, Ben Liberty as on that. Over to me after Joy Chem for 054 0125 819.
Brother Bernard. Yes. Onia anope die ekom die demi na cho yenkope go baby ntowa ene nkwa die be salad kakra wele talia na kokwa memre se ne ya heda ya ma mepe se wonim se ne mepe meduane
mama tabanya wo se wo to Vodafone made for me bundle office star 530 hash e code da wo di benya atade ne sese ye pa ya heda ya ma wo benya wani mu nyina free 1 Ghana cedi e ko
Brother Bernard enti wonim Vodafone made for me bundle na wa heda die sie mi say
oh the boss star 530 hash anio Manisha utrim say odia we are stroku assign Vodafone made for me a chede ne sese ahudo me trese nya chede ne sese ya edemufo a ya heda ya ma o bi ni minutes dodo a ode be call data ana internet na say minutes dodo ode be calls any data ya kan bom dia ma ode dial star 530 hash na fa ho di Vodafone made for me sese ne a chede mu ana download my Vodafone app no ene ya Vodafone further together.
water closet a me pay men to bi wo hankoma me wo fa na sesen ma me frɛ hello ofa
hello
na mpacho dan no modru hen
ya wie ni nyina aka water kroba
wofa ye frɛ no water closet na enka me pɛ complete de esi ho no ana de omo de bod dan ho no the modern ones aba no sunyan ho ebi wo ho ana fɛ me pɛ toilet squat
ha mi kra ha de mi ko fa we bi mami musa Kofi.
Efira, o my sere papa. Company bi wa mo no ne. Ye friend Jintao Sanitaries. Wo mo ye water closets, latest quality ones. Wo mo de bagana na ebesi ventures bi a ye friend na Tabo Ventures. No de ababra fo hanyina. Sunyan na wa ba bepi. Eniema na wo fase en epe no. Abusu cha e wo ho. Efira, ma men kire o. Sa onim post office e ba ba ku ni aba. Waterworks any PWD. Sa onim ho. Benkum so Nkwantabisa do ko New Town.
Baby, I beg you, Kenteno.
Motra baby, I mean, Kentena oko New Town, Kwana. One sabenkum, baby, I'm to pan on opposite. Abrosen fufu tentneke sieno, a form hope. First and second store, water closet in Pua, and it's a near my office here, Epeno. Abusu cha, water closet, Munura Abba. Dear, a sihoni be, dear friend, complete. There were S shape, there were P shape, and watchy, dear Mia Pampamua, na a flash. Afe, dear the border. Ye chimuno ebi wo ho now a hand washing basin open full set and 9 si ho ananse half afei toilet part no eye de omo sense ni bi abuso chawo Anatabo Ventures e wo sunyan ha efira Anatabo Ventures offer sa water closet and accessories no direct from Jintao Sanitaries e wa monane enti obeto a ode ma atufo bo me kire wholesale price enti sunyaman any brand for mantama nyina sa wo ye contractor institution na open water closet type bia shape bia dia anasa hand washing basin bia dia woni kire ba bia ma kire wo no ana 055 3288 616 ya my one
check mami anopay na me ka cho se ye onkomo bi di ne anopay na abron ma wo fi ha nya akoma achi
ye nuana na Nkwantabisa
empom ti sen
nyame adomo me ho ye pa na wonso
nyankopon adom me so me ho ye pa
ye de nyankopon wase bibia ye kama Bibia e boko. Bibia e boko.
Na anope ede ne kura o.
Kwame.
Mienu bi firi o na menya 121.
Nti mienu a mi ama o de di kan eye manchi product ahodo e wodwa so no. Ebi eye manchi anytime cracker, manchi ginger biscuit, manchi digestive biscuit, manchi milk crunch, afa manchi milk shortcake biscuit, ena manchi jam biscuit. Sa biscuit ahodo yi CBL West Africa ene produce wo mo sen wo babuno mamu sren wo ya so to bi a wo pese ye di bi begum na wo ton enya sika gu botomu am ye pese wo ye distributor enti freyen e wo 0244 85 6141 0244 85 6141 Zipe akwanya ne da so ye adwuma se won register bia de wo hia ye Ghana network bia wo so no amia *270# *270# *270# na de atia ne se ebre de kan a wo beka Zipe akwanya ne ho no wo akwanya se ubenya 10 cedis airtime for free enti register na yisika send sika e wo kwantia yi so Unya skana no akọ S-back akodidi S-back ho de ye di menya mu nutrient enye pinti bia da me wansna de ni bi enti banku fufuo emutuo ene aduane a ye di no my Ghana mu a dade enoa ne S-back Sunyani domase kwan so ye wo gudi achi ho to na mobra na bedidi kama me pato didi wie na ahode ne ba na okofie no yiri hia na owo a na fei abofra no osua 3 months nti asesen oma ohyase enya niema bi ho akwanya nanso so maame no ye adwuma nti kwa me onya saa akwanya no enti wodi abofra no beko Bellaland Learning Center na de atia ne se Bellaland Learning Center ho no ye je free mofra wo madi bosome miensa ekosi mofra wo madi emfie miensa wodi abofra ne ba ye be ma wachim nufusuo ni bi agya ho amanka ka wo mo ye totofefe no mo da so nom nofo no eti fra no pa kosi time a wo be pon adwuma be fa wo ba no ye hwe ne kama wo be didi ye be pepa no ho ye be dware no wo be ma na da eduru ba bia ye ma wo mu di agro ye to na sesem kire wo na nkoda na wo matena se no kwa me ko hwe se de wo mu si pe stories ne se de wo mu ni si James na wo akwada be 6 months akwada 6 months o sere a obetumi asere se obizanse de na wate a wo sere bi eti Bellaland Learning Center emma talent ye wo oba ni mu no epientam ye mane ni di na keke enye ye metwade ke na ewo this school ne nchen ho ni bia we die ye Bellaland Learning Center onidi no wada odidi esua de manani ginti abofra no nya kofa no de ne ba fie wi hu se woni ukuru ti wodi nko na akra na hyase esere wo se na ada akra no nkomo ben what school mu ho no ye to na sesam no ani ye boy ensam no ye to nwum na aya ne de eti mpacho obeba Sunyani baby anu achi nche ne ye frɛ ho the place ene ye frɛ ho groovies eben KFC wo Sunya fie prekwan so for 0241 28 2533 0241 28 2533 na oba Fred ye mobile phone papa manager Jake me ma wachia no pay Franco Trading Enterprise na ono ena ehwe so ha na de atia ne se wo phone papa wo de bedi djuma Itel Samsung Tecno iPhones ene ho aka de nyina ba yire we nyina bi wo ho Fabra Franco Trading Enterprise na fa osika beja ye ne aso ma phone papa fa kwadi wujuma Sunyani ye wo dan no ye ne di animhwe wo Cocoa House runabout ho over fresh 0246 422 338 me pa cho wa ho de akofom se be ma o yire mfa nko ma parliament kwa me ma parliament wo sa wo ba ho oba ma parliament ya ensema wo beti no wa na wo ye be ma no ahoden wo foma be kwa akopa aduro sa na wo ko me ma so parliament na wo ye oba wo da ho tim wo so asema wo beti no wa na abepe araba bazin tablet na wa memene oba de defo nwura hemfie mpie ma ne mpaboa hu moshire o eti esesa wonom araba bazin tablet na oba mu ho no eye kama be ma so so ogunsuo to aso be ma ne prostate aye kese ogunsuo na ne dua mu ye ne ya ne de ne ye hunchun capsules Mr. Q eye duru a eboa ma be ma nya ahoden wo mpam onya atenka wo mpam sa nru efri Kunlu Ghana Limited e na abadwa so eti oba Sunyani a Mose Pharmacy Greenlight Pharmacy Macubert Pharmacy ena afi Cap Herbal benya bi atom oba fra 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 suku die no ani Adea College na Adea College awa Sunyani se watre wasi no wantwa ena afi aya usa to aso na unhuru ba bia wonfamfa me pa to fafa Adea College for wo mu fie ho ye frɛ wo se ebia wadwuma wo ye nti wunya mmere mma ne se de ye kono daada na obetumi aba memeda ne kwasie da obetumi aba nwumre wapon wadwuma firi no nan ho kono na fe wotumi aba no abre bia
boko town
omo eba na nopa 7:30 kopema nwumre be 4 de wo ho courses ni bi general arts business home economics visual arts and general science Sunyani ya Alaska Junction ho be fresh 0243 011 435 0243 011 435 Oak Dental Clinic in Penny 4 Frewa no paysen.
Okay.
Esen no efom so aba ho a ene ubeyan so de beba Sunyani. Ye wo Jenny Guest House anim ho wa abesim anopa sabre ye bie kopema nwumre no num wo ba esen problem bie wo ho no ye besiesie ama wo se mesen no tokura dem so.
Dr. Mubo adwuma o.
I tell you monge.
Dr. Mubo adwuma.
Omo ye adwuma pa. Wo dia ne so obeba na ya hwe wo sen na ma wo. Ya hyehye ne kama ama wo. Se de be ya woni beje se de wo hwehwe wo sen na. Pacho be fresh 0201 660 218 0201 660 218. Kwame.
Yeah.
Gatin for Ediaba.
Hey, ungo foi.
I know.
Na no me kwaje be ma mambere wa om se uni nchine kura wutimi.
Mo.
Yeah, om zo timi.
Ba ku bi wo ho se yesi nimoko a. Eno na me tai kan fo mo obi a yaka che se nimoko kwa me ti na Ghana na wu nimoko a.
Hey.
Enye izo.
Nimoko.
Wo ti Ghana wu nimoko.
Nimoko pa.
Kura o.
Emu odin. Anu odin. Abra anu odin.
Eti pa cho ba gatina yo bibi e de ma. Eyo purely organic. Wo di begu aduane mu adi. Na a replace moko no. Enso e ma unsunsanso bi an. Wo se me time nso yese mebu mensa. 2 weeks bia me bu mensa me koye yi ni bi na nsusanso ade abra me nyimpa chobra osimanya liver mu yade manya kidney mu yade abia nya malaria na nnura me se na wote anu anya malaria na on frɛ gat wose wo number ne yesai eye 0200 905 936 0200 905 936 yade bia da so wo di wo de bagatina purely organic products and yedi to asia amount na makamfo royal foam mama say wutu yade ase wi a na fe wada hate na obeda hate am royal foam ya tebo ne so say hu wo ham chichemu edu afri so na mpacho de atia ne sa woto am ye ma usumiye mienu de pie so
wow
royal foam esebra won showroom bi e ben wo bono mamu Ghana mayi mu na frɛ 020 227 1000 020 227 1000 na mi sidan eti masia wie no sesa me bosso a joy kemfo nchensen yeah colors sa empopo entutu ntokuro ne dam joy kem roofing company saying obagia ye di koja na ye di abosso ama e wachira ye beba behwe se dodo se na beboso free estimation Sunyani yewo area 4 ye ben Goy filling station no ewo very any STU run about to honomon oba fresh 0551 009 000 0551 009 000 Mercy Dana boss wa mo awie no akasa wo be ye POP wo say wontumi nye POP wa bra wo mo dan so ntesa nsuo kotope you go spoil everything back to square one. Eti asasa wo ye POP na oba ye POP no a ehwo akade no ya akwaje no wo Hema Enterprise se wodru Ohema Enterprise yam POP niema ne doso papa ne besiem unya sure so yira wo na wo pe bibidi akoma na wo se wo koye POP ama me hwe ye wo POP semina ye wo POP wo yire ena ye sanso ewo POP or long fiber ena short fiber ewo hom binding wires ahodo no nyina no ebi ewo Ohema Enterprise obabunu mamu na wo pe ba bia ye to ne ye tu POP ho ne ma ye de no na ye papa na sanso ye fofo la fo bre Sunyani ubedru Sunyani a me pa cho kacha tazi droba ni bi a obafro ne shensen Messi ewo fiepri Ohema Junction ewo ba bi e ben jokuna ne gas filling station ho no a unya tra ba bia wadafo no wo mo wo no ho kakra bi nko anim pi so de wa wo hyen na nam a na droba fo no kra de ho ano wo to ne mantu unya tra fiepri kam na katense Messi Ohema Enterprise am unya mai ho no akase ene wo ba bi kakra ka na wo no ho ano so ya na Messi wo ha over fresh 0203
the man pay POP ahimfie
oh enya wanwa okwa bi utu utumi say yes eye POP ahimfie headquarters
bibia ope bibia
bi wo ho eti fresh 0203 721906 0203 721906 masidan no drum pempenso bi akade yedi besisim eti de yedi besim ni esra no pa na nwumre ye betena so ni ya ye hu yie no WC na wukọ China mamu a o company bi we friend Gentile Sanitary wo ma de o mo ye pa eye WC water closet na wo mo ne Anatabo Ventures aye nhyehyeye pa enti ama ebia ba bedru Ghana enti China for WC ene ye be yusu e wo Ghana mamu e wo mu ahodo bi wo ha flash ye wo ye yi ni gu mu na wo be wi obetwa ni na hwe nim ba wo flash ye be ko beti engumu na wode wani akohuna ma ujolof bi akosan wanumu enti Anatabo Ventures for saying braya so ye ho WC wo mu ketwa ye wo ho ne ho ene ye wo bolotui kakraka ne ahemfo size wote so akama queen and king size WC e wo Anatabo Ventures Sunyani ɛna obehunu yɛn yɛwɔ wɔwɔsia station wɔ ɛne ne di animhwɛ mpacho wo kɔ baako ni abakwan ne so a PW Newtown Abronsam White no unsa benkum so hɔ an baabi a yɛnwene kente no a mpacho obɛfrɛ 0553 288 616 288 na ye kan nyina cash yo sika o otisika wundra ye me kan gire moyin itimpo kire ekope bet ya betway na de wo hia nie betway ne de simple who to me at the 150 pesos ko 16.5 million Ghana cedis no ye sika ni na abrada pa ye pe and now so to me the 1 cedi akodi 270,000 Ghana cedis na abrada pa ye pe and now the 50 pesos ebedi 5,000 Ghana cedis na abrada pa ye pe eti de wo hia ye betway app no so be download ato phone so na open so a scratch and win promo no and ye da so ginam and one so be scratch no worry no wadi pufu na abrada pipe e na betway aviator ne so kwa me di twa to ma me mfa wontu da wuro frɛ no samaya lupre edu betu am discuss si a eti download the betway aviator no to phone so na bone mfa wontu na di sika gu phone so bebre na abrada pipe eti betway agudie no ehun do ntira na Nkwantabisa ma me fa si na yebese ne abrada pa di nkomo ti yesrew ma yenti abrada pa nkomo no nti wo so wo de do hwiri num na kan sika egu ni fie ho
yanko me se na me kan amanfo beka se bia Nkwantabisa me ha mani but no kre wo ne se monum volume ne wa ade no so volume no kre wo ade nim ne se omode almost 5 hours and a case can we 5 hours no me can scan we na me enkwama me die from OSP office hono HSN yakon was even more than 5 hours
I don't know monka amount na omuko hu no ofie ho na say hours ne do do ni omuko now
for security reasons.
Wow.
Minimum amount.
O pretty bank woni fie ho ana.
Na ko say me ka amount ne kire wa you will know say enkwada no sika no mu wi aye no mu twitwim. Yesu ano kai.
Ah.
Ya ka so bi twitwim a.
Papa sika bondo da ho a wo hwe mfimfini no watwe ba ko afi.
Sika no bebrebe aye no. Sa sika na amate se enkwada ne file no mu twitwim keke.
Wow. Omo awia.
Dabi. No mu twitwim. So twim kra wa wia.
Say on shed that na so wia. When I'm house help e bianca.
What is wrong is wrong. Chrono,
yes, that one is a fact. That one.
Obo chrono a Ghana mamra ne kire se yemfa ontum. Odifo a yemfa ontum. Eye chrono nyako. But many mersa and an ampese me ya enyoma bi kirem. Nyako because $1 million na yesika ben ko a abro yesika pa o. Wonim say so would 50,000 a month what you may away. So Sompa focus on mutual 500 million cedis a month. It will take you almost 24 years. And so when you say $1 million.
24 years.
24. Would it 500 million? Bosuni bia yama 500 million. Sir, oje 20,000 a month, 200 million a month. I'm a manager crying here. It will take you about 50 years. A dream will be 200 million. So only 200 million a month. Now it will take you almost 50 plus years. And so when you $1 million. Yes. And the more be advanced, sikano I me madam for more example say. Council no permit chair was it $1 million a day. You don't know what you are talking about. Mon family go to Krum Kwan, you won't say iskapa. $1 million no.
And yes, can't go the
And you buy a BG 20 million, 2,000 a month. A BG 3,000 a month. Now, a big $1 million that no more.
No, Kwame also say, it's your beat, Bosumi, I catch you 500 million. Obenya in fear, but this so yeah,
24 years plus. And son, yes. When you say $1 million,
500 million across
500 million.
On save ni nyina.
Dabi.
Okay.
O de yamfa say u save no obosome so amfa nsan kan sika no.
Okay.
500 million no. It will take you a year, you can say 24 years and above.
Wow.
And they say no, say war 40 years. Now, Brofrom can life begins at 40. Now, Yanko, Oya Wajin say open $1 million. What the current, you can say, exchange rate, CD to dollar. They say I'm 12, a year 12, 11 something. That can calculate here. For calculator nebo no fie mame. $1 million no. O de divide 1 million by 24. Saying 1 million divided by 24. Mo fam calculator mo. Na de bi am pese mbo man bo. Aroba wo joba yen go school kakra. We are not talking about small money. Memma adwuma na hunu ye. The OTT ni nyina fato nchen na me ma the right sources. Antisi sika no $1 million. Nyako o divided by 24 years. That's a bosumi bia no 41,666. 41,000. O divided 1 million by 24. That's 24 years. And busumi bia so oka so the bagane sikamu a imagine what you get 41,000. So we are not talking about small money. Na skani ba na meka cho say sikana mo ka ho asem no enya nyina no because nyako case we 2021 meka no crash ana shasi yeah na ma me ne wo abayo bia no na ye made wo fi ho abayo no edi kan wie bi no intelligent kromfo intelligent abayo no wie sika no na quickly do I say opay fie siye o si bedroom houses anotenem enti ofri ho with some circumstances bia ma abayo na ya bona on pese obeka na oje adwuma no koy enti new made ni baaye no ano fresh security for o pese on new made ni kasa on baby operation ni shase
wow ano
ka che new made ni say new made ye mesrawa se brown nim nyansa me prince dem aba me be chinchim TV no and what he said say farmer no ne kasa no ka che say hey baby awo na gudie oho
die as wa fi ho
die ansa no for merciful ma shase me nyanwi tu nya fam percentage breme na me fa nwie me fi
wow
yes ana omuma information na do baby afa nya ko what they did ne say so we are sikana obema security bi obema chef bi obema we bi na mo de abrebo cha woman former maid no
okay
na mo the percentage abrebo and this maid na ya kana asem nyo no ne diska no sa maid na ya kana asem nyo ne diska no dabi nyo no kwa omo dos no mu diska no na ono na ye the face of the project and the project ni nyina no na sa old maid no and a chassis ano mu wia kakra na nyakomedi kwoma kodru ba bi say yes Cecilia Abnadapa honorable the picture ni okay I want this letter mama munya we mamisa for now bra Facebook Sompa 98.9 bra what there bra Joshua na panelist for ne baba na minya biom na abron me ma me letter choy no on 21st of July 2023 statement from Cecilia Abnadapa weighing about first and son of resign. I refer to publication dated 21st of July suggesting that I owe $1 million, 300,000 euros and millions of cedis which have been stolen from my house. And now, now my men say there are not noticeable inconsistency between what is being discussed in the public domain. and the trust of the original complaint of the original original complaint of the matter. I am taking steps to examine the origins of the inconsistency and will be provide detailed response in the coming days. Abroad man or we come. Now, me I train details from Mammy. Now, Mammy Chawadi, inconsistency, as if you have done the power. Share. Letterhead. Out your goose. Cecilia is CECELIA. Anna Fay Oba statement from Cecilia na CECILIA. Now, brother, you are signing here. Get our global zoo. Baby, you're signing abroad, ma. I don't say it. CECILIA. One of them say yes. Sabro fuya ma. Where's the English? Where's the English? Yes, paragraph 2. There are noticeable inconsistency. That's the word. Inconsistency nini. Ma mina angasa say ni inconsistency. Them will say no. Kashi gufio. Kashi gufio na. Monko. Mama minko. His Excellency. My resignation letter, my resignation letter, the man's abroad man. So the woman, was a pressure near Banesso. I know by no, my resignation, my pen and under the end, my resignation letter. My resign, no, they call my His Excellency, and I do down Kufado. Do you have the resignation letter? Abroad man give it to you. Now, my resign, we are no. And His Excellency, this is why I got disappointed. Me, I had me disappointed. Nanado, His Excellency, and a very good morning. I was shocked with this letter because already I'm for accuse you say, oh yeah, clearing agent. Ghana Integrity Initiative for Mungaza Basa. Only one of the institutions they don't talk basa for the first time. His Excellency said, Nana. Sadia ya why you do. Are very bad. Take another letter. Or say, President Akufo-Addo makes new ministry up. Oh no, I don't want this. Guys, let's move. Move with me. Flow with me. I don't want this one. Acceptance, say ocho resignation letter ma ebiwaya. Obedimaka so say menyin tum. Obedimaka say megia tum. Te men Nkwantabisa ene me wie na me resignation letter are ready. Na bia me pese me call baby fofora. Eye manager Daroma so obegia tuma na onyintu. Auntie Abeta anope me chow pa. Auntie Abeta very good morning. Na obegia tuma na onyintu. Ti me say be let am de ko Auntie Abeta o. Ti obegia tuma ejina ne so. Guys, flow with me. Na other letter no call. I want the letter. You come to Facebook 98.9. Sompa SOMPA. So pardon the now join me. Now me yan tem sa kwodi aba sa kwodi de any time there. Just a BBSC or you'll be o the time so pa. Now why am I not seeing it here? Why am I not seeing it? Okay, so my resignation letter ni move your way among acceptance with immediate effect. So let me have the letter here. I was screening so but I'm not having on the tag board. Take my troll letter way. I would that Facebook echo my His Excellency. Now letter no try no. I know try come on His Excellency. This time round no ma correct some mistakes bia omo ye. Until okay letterhead na CECILA. Afei on the signation the signing also ebe consistency. Okay, aba. Okay, so now you see the same thing. CECILA. I say, I write to inform you that I wish to resign from my position as Minister for Sanitation and Water Resources. It has been a great privilege and honor for me to have been given the opportunity to serve in your government. Since 1992, letter me say wapa resignation letter here. Mama Mrs. Leabdandapa. Oh resign. What does it? What resign? Paragraph contain one thought. A class 2 teacher brought for your chair. Team Ameno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adea, a letter to my love, Eliana. Sa kwa dia kwa relative, onu kwa banker. Now, this is the letter she wrote. Inconsistency of her inconsistencies. I not try park. Ghana grow here nizo. As or try letter come on a boyfriend. Now, listen to His Excellency and Adea Nkwantabisa. This is why I got disappointed with His Excellency. Sa kwa dia, I'll tell you the truth. Okay? Or letter paragraph. I say since yesterday, Friday, July, social and traditional media way of a president who bang. Maybe hold on. Way of a president who bang. Way of a president who bang. Abraham, are you following me? I say since yesterday, Friday, July 21st, social and traditional media have been full of stories about a court case involving theft that took place last year in the home. I live with my husband and daughter. Everyone the same way for no bang. The story sought to suggest that I own various seats. Forget about what you are doing. I live with my husband and daughter. I live with my husband and daughter. The story sought to suggest that I fail no beg you. I fail no better tenancy. Remember, I know more stories. Listen to reality. The story sought to suggest that I own various sums of foreign currency emission of Ghana cities which have been stolen from my home. Whereas I can state emphatically that those figures do not represent those money does not belong to me. See, the inconsistency. I say, whereas I state emphatically that those figures does not represent correctly my husband and I reported to the police, I am very much aware of import of such stories around someone in my position. Oh, Cecilia. Obade Gawianke Mebinka. Auntie is here. Now, Auntie is here. Oh, I need more time to do this. Now, Sakwa de Amon Fan Chamika Crab, Mama, 5 minutes. Mama, 5 minutes, sir. What the ultima say, pa? And then this in Ibe neighbor. Mama, 5 minutes. Now, mean your story because if you do that, is come at them. Mr. Mama, 5 minutes. Panam Pamacho. Angel Nabano. Angel sit down and keep quiet. Pamata, Jim. I'm resigning, therefore, because I do not want this matter to become a what? Are we serious in this country? Preoccupation of government and hindrances to the work of government and such a crucial step. Mommy, where is she serious? My friend, I intend to cooperate fully with all state agencies to enable. When I can't say who cooperate, but we will force you to cooperate. I have no doubt whatsoever that at the end of this process, who set exams amount, who set a question and you are answering. Listen to her. It will be fully established that I have conducted. Mommy, you are not serious. Myself with integrity during my period in public service, and I will be fully exonerated from all the allegations I have filed in the blah 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 past 24 hours. I thank you, my dear Titi. Odolete no choko ma ekufadu. Ocho odolete no koma His Excellency Joshua Mate. Masro 5 minutes. Producer Mesro. The producer say me time aso. Just 4 minutes, producer. I'm wrapping up. I beg you. I thank you, my dear. Hey, producer to opposition. I thank you, my dear. I thank you, my dear. Comma. Now, Yanko, my producer say many time. Why am I not touching the touching? Mami Dapa, Tiakufado, Mumi audio way. Let people listen to this. Listen to his President Akufado. Listen to him. Adea when I was so proud of His Excellency and Adea Nkwantabisa. Sa video internet and me.
And I'll repeat it again. Those who are coming to this administration thinking that it's an avenue for making a lot of money are going to be disappointed. They better go to the private sector. That is where people make money, not in government. And I'll repeat it again. Those who are coming to this administration thinking that it's an avenue for making a lot of money are going to be disappointed. They better go to the private sector. That is where people make money, not in government. And I'll repeat it again.
Now move to the letter or the letter for me. Call your chairman boyfriend and then boyfriend accepted. Move. I want to see the next. I'm touching the touching. Any your best queen, Ghana. Sompa. Okay. I have, hey, Nana Showboy, His Excellency, my love. Dear Cecilia, I have received your letter. Dated Saturday crowd was actually a letter. 8 paragraph. 22nd July 2023, resigning from office as Minister of Sanitation and Water Resources and a member of the government. It is with considerable considerable regret. TME. TME. Thank you, Martin. My castle. Okay, Mama Chen, I want to say, Monso Prince or Mike and Mamma, put your microphone on. Put it on. Zach, put it on. No, Zach, put this one on. Yeah. Use mic 4, the Mammy Zach. Yeah. Use mic 4. No, use mic 4 for me. Okay, use this one for me. And your mic no on. Yeah. Okay, good morning. Good morning. Now, I'm going to say. Good. I can't get home.
But sometimes my team know that. Shut up.
Okay, somebody you are too quiet. How are you? My very good brother. Fantastic. Fantastic. Oh, Eba. Wadaruma. Eba pa. Eba ye. I feel what you want. What you want? Yes. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Very good.
Say New Patriotic Party. She say party no ko numa ye do.
Osunu echi ni am.
Ko numa ye da ma cheze.
Osunu echi ni am.
Oh, say you see she share party na share calendar. Is am no ka say presidential ayini guso. Ah cheze omobo apro party fu shia. Na once we say over the weekend so chama kwamba fa bronye ye.
Ayene ba yo. Chama no pay me mo achi.
Yeah, you mu congress no.
Me say me ko dro na msin. We me bonsa akura ye wu.
Seki.
Man from 50 Ghana for check to buy.
Yeah, say there's a proverb Samoloko Ife.
Yeah.
A famous actor, the late. Kind was say a little giving with a smile is much bigger than bigger giving with a frown. Ono ko an literal bro for kind. That is to say ketwa e be sere dia show nsem no chen kesipa e be mu na dia show nsem enti na sege zidi dia kura bia na esen ka abo dia kura bia na esen ka abo vi empanyifo se ba kofo sentimi na mi kata ana pokura nso togum sabi
and but bu on so yen person
enti ne bia we no bia dia obe ne se bia dia obe ne se bia nso so de no unya bibia no converting into kind na wa say bia.
Well, Chama Kwame dear, me penasem.
O say Gabriel, say Gabriel.
Do me ne kum bebre.
Gabriel dey son adam for pa na me chama you.
Me ne kum bebre bi obi adu only chama ko chem, but I love you. I love him. I love Chama.
Chama, okay, maybe now omo opposition.
Ane.
They say you are down hospital. Okay, that's him.
Menkai.
Oh. I feel that Chama is sorry
for
Chama is sorry free hospital or buy and oh sorry I know about my mumu.
Oh okay.
Kwamna? Nam say yes. Be ba chibo nam say omo why dey. Was it be free hospital buy ni.
Chama be blue. I then this say NG Gabriel mo to on pa. A Chama ka say radio so the police for. It happened. It happened. Krom ha your position, eh? Your position. A Chama ka say radio so Akye police for ba ho be fa Chama kwamba for bronya on record.
Station by. Sack, station by.
No. At a point, me kai say in 2011. Me kai say in 2011.
But believe is all and then space. Apart from that,
in 2011. That time no. Na me wo wa na ye ka. That time in Subia, Politank be who some na Koyuna Michamafo. a minister and who sends some about Domasi. You can't want to see home minister no fresh Simo eh. Then DCB Frank clarify.
Sompa platforms. Sompa platform. Eson. Nti be kan sema.
Me say asem no kan nya no correct.
Asem me na say akodi e keke na no pe.
Ba mo so na mu di tro do.
Tro mu di en.
Na MV for senu bi no mu ye. Opposition.
Na tro be ni di.
Ha?
Tro be ni di.
Me ga bi jira.
Me ba ko. O de ma ba ko.
Ebrebu ka asem bi.
Asem be ya.
O je.
Asem be ya. No, je like dem dey make say train na me go.
Wa me shaso. Eno bi no mu ye no. Ezo bi am to na me hwe
but
of course, but we are serving Ghana.
Yes, that's true.
Your mind.
Oh, yeah, from Day-Life, so many stations. Akonoba, Space. Hey, also what bro?
Also what bro? Bye bye. I mama yanka Cecilia asem na kwabna de anope no na ira no aduane amanti. So this is the situation. Mama Femfrio.
Sege. The dika no. Mecha party for nyina. New Patriotic Party free grassroots to be see a party no kokoroko na won kran nyina. Mejina chama kwamba fo abronya na mu no mada. Bono region fo nyina, ne Ghana fo nyina, media fo NDC fo mpa o mo so kra ejitwi at the bay, you know, let's say you know, NDC for Kano Modos, Patch and PP for you know, Fize, NDC for grassroots to name himself, no crepa, dear, but no crack, I'm a quamba for bro. You may down, Nti, or more crowd, dear man, the fans pa. Na, media cassette, the Niso, Kesse. Na, Sage, yes, I'm not a cruma. Media, meaning who's as a mere cruma. Frize. Oh, the Adea Cecilia Dapa Ayeno. She's just being very, very honest. You see, sometimes I say what kind of screens anyway, you know. Na o can be the say love letters. No, they are the president. Disappointment. Ah, what your love letters? O can a one no. Look, who is Cecilia Dapa statement now? The real crux of the matter, I say, Sikano Nyesika. A daho kesipa ubia fan at once. A yesika ya fan in bets. Number 2, Cecilia Dapa sebi. Oyo ba wa bobra. She's an accomplished woman, a very successful woman. Owo businesses. Owo mekane say that muzzler, business muzzler. Owo sika bro say sika ya sema ye kan bebrebe. President Kufuor so the minister 8 years. Nanado dan Kufuor do apenso so. We know she's been a minister for significant number of years. Sabi say been previous. Say obi a what distinguishing ho sa. Yes. Obi a yes, hotels. Look, and sabi ni hotels bi mo kura so chain is better hotel. Na nti se sa Abia me no ti hai. Na so obi ka say asem kan ya papa Samia is better hotel ye ne dia. E wo $1 million. E wo ho no ma sabi. Nti e ya de enwanwa. Nya de enwanwa. Nti no but the wo mo nyina ne say oya political figure. Enu nti no se ye tese sika bi saa no etimi ayira firi fia obi beka say asose sika no bi adenji na anko bank ana say bia Ghana for dodo na beka say nti no sika say obi wo sika say da ho ena e bia bi mu so te ba bi o mu so bre but eno so ke beka ne say more especially NDC for be bre o mu agisa asemi twene sere ne abasa yenso e beka ne say enti ye woni pa gu hospitals asabi o omo enika pre so omo undergo surgery sa so John Dramani Mahama nya 40 Ghana cedi per each delegate chairman in this delegates ana adena sa millions of Ghana cedi no wa mo anu anka say wo mo se da hospital ko de koboa omo enti you always find alternative
for sika bia obeti hu obeti ni din bia out there say we ki ebetimi dia we ki ebetimi dia we but maame no asem ne bae na Ghana for started so mo ka ho asem and Ghana for so on resign onye se onye de bia ye ka se o ka brochira nka wa resign da na maame na ye the honorable thing say office asem na aba na baba be ye deja e wokuru imu enti sadia ono no de ahwede aba fie de once na aba enti no enye obe resign na wa ye sadi honorably enti o se kia kwake bo maame na ba say o maame no she's been honorable enough say what me resign because what reason send a even if there is any further ongoing investigation be into her nisika no ne sources ni ba bi efira she won't have that political muscle obetim dia stampede any process bia na ma me de resign and the president in his letter admit to say hano say akwakoba ni say fi say ma me no you be very distinguished ma me no you be a wo ye na dwuma kama sebisebio nkeka wa bia ni maame no ho nti eba ni say ya die nti na ye beka say sebio love letter bi na ekoso ana se bibi na de wo ho ne say meaning say no de love letter mo kan keke but okay na no asemi ba ye boss special prosecutor abaso won say krom ha wo ho krom ha say asem senior special prosecutor we had the new patriotic party mumpanyimfo special prosecutor up in arms with them. She say NDC for omo de oh hey special prosecutor even when it is just arrest investigations into those matters opposition for them. But they should remember that such special prosecutor, they have always said that the office was not necessary. Number two, a white elephant, a facade, just cosmetic office, and a duplication of the many investigative departments. A special prosecutor in Juma. Maameno honorably will honor that invitation. But remember that or honor invitation, the pedia rules, no, or honor invitation. This is what happens. Professor from Pomboatin, Nediano, or honor invitation. But when you go there, you say you are arrested. That is what it means. To my men, and also one corner will be the uncle for goodness. That be yes, sir. And no, forget say office of the Charles Bisu. Charles Bisu, I'm coming. It's binding. They can go to court. That's what I'm saying. That me say. So we are not discussing people who have said omunko. I'm saying that Mameno, they invited Mameno, and the woman went. So I'm saying she did the honorable thing. Obi on Makobit Makase, uncle, better related to the lawyers. Now they very well. I know name one. Very well. There have been people I invite almost a minko, or what your letter, bro. Say, meet me in court. If you have a prima facie case, you think you meet me in court. Meet me in court. And it is like that. But I am out of courtesy. No, I don't know why I would distort it as someone making. We are in a legal regime. We are in a legal regime. Legal regime now, you woman. Police for it mark I invite you. You can decide not to go. Won't it be that? The office of a special prosecutor, every department in this country can invite you. You can decide not to go. But at the end of the day, say I am no. That is what I'm saying. But I'm saying that my dear, she did the honorable thing by honoring the invitation and acquire any arrest, and a man bail. And she left. And is that not honorable? Because there are many people in this country, they have decided, say, Mwangasa Munipaya, Atuesi, ya, would debank Isika, NDC Atuesi, would debank Iska. Ye court, a catch so much 18.5 million. Ye share and say, that's no metria. At a point when Chescano, a druba be by a court of Chenocra on Besoko, court a whole court of Chen on Besoko. So we have seen NDC people who have defied invitations. Nasake, and Rana near Mabisan and Nam almost say, hi, Mameno, almost I saw a Akon Honmaku $17.5 million SSB. And yes, who told you? And you no correct. It is not true. Me say and you no correct. Okay. Obey basis. Maybe so who basis in the same house here no correct. Because it was established from the office of the special. Me say it is not true. It was media declared. That is why I'm saying that. Unless you be and I start to correct. Enra. Many people who circulated Sadia we saying, and no more pinpointed TV3 reporter now no special prosecutor office anymore. And not all reporters say, or no say, penny checks within the special prosecutor office. The report, and this video, I can send it to you. Or saying the checks within the special, and which is not an officially detailed special prosecutor. I'm coming. Is it coming from special prosecutor?
No, I have the video. I can the said video.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. That it is our TV3 Nina Samokaya. Amount for air fire interpreting. I know our video now. One certificates even in it.
No, you never state.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. No, say amount for alpha. Yes, amount for alpha no moka. But we have not had any official communication from the special prosecutor's office to say 17 million
or add to deny. We have no statement denying that fact.
But if there is no statement to deny that fact, it is because the special prosecutor thinks it is not necessary to glorify it.
Arguably, you can't base on say there's no statement to state say yes. But don't forget say there's no statement to deny that fact. Also, it's fact unless it's proven say it's not factual. That's what I'm. Let
me tell
with the greatest of respect.
Let me tell you something. I come here to tell you say, and as I go somewhere to report say, Seke, Seke as a sad diamonds be and as a gold to be. Aqua kugune them. I'm a police for. Akwa hono makwa ko ready hono makwa ko hu say gold eni sika na niema say botene say na wasesa obi a report to sa asem nipa no omo report to sa asem ni wie no reporter no ko kan sa asem no eso kan asem no wa abato no po wan san so anchirechiri mu sa ye wie no enti wo pesa wo kire me say nipa no omo kan ne sa na omo kan no wa na ye nya statement bi afi police for na omko ready honom no. We should take that issue hook, line and sinker. Is that what you are telling me? Special prosecutor ako obi fie ako hwede ye wo ho. They have not officially come out to say when I ye kofi ye di ko hu ye, but obi a report and obi so circulating propaganda out there say ye hu sika do so process. Are you telling me say because special prosecutor embe deny and now say embe affirm yenti no we should take it to clients?
No, man can't say, but Obeke statement say there have not been a statement of affirmation.
Yes.
And I just don't forget to add say there's no statement of denial.
It is because it doesn't exist. If it existed, they would have brought in a statement. Right. That is what I'm saying. It's wrapping up. No. Dear Kukosui was Sicila da Pahun Semina, no Mameno one, Asemesi. I can see who's will be a bono, but it's also a political figure. Honorably, will resign. President accepted. You are appointing new minister. President, I'm an ongoing investigation. Me, I'm the ongoing investigation. Send a bayer, baby, as you can free be a bedding. You be who minister rana enchia.
So the same issue, or thought on these arguments and then. And some of us on made Sicily Abia. But how can I read? I've done many times over for maybe 5 minutes, you know.
Minia. Ghana a country, yeah, build it. Such mentality, and people for be no more than a dino. Then you see that mentality, no, and fan build the country. I'm surprised. Sir. Sakodi, a good friend of mine. And no matter was a betting on the power, you know. So I treated here and Canada and can imagine certificate because, because miniature. We'll make an example. We say, Mameno was invited and honorably acquire any the account, but what ye say, police, who case, it was police. Not you invite you. And no mono amount honorably way. Our my invite to our deco. Uko Druha. They stand on the case in their warm on seminal. No more say arrest you.
That's my answer. The same thing.
No, on only say any panel, and on one in a pen or when I said, no, but
you are like to deny.
Matthias is here. Obia invited me. So they invited her on the basis of the case. Good. And you know, don't use the word there.
No, but and one as they can. You invite him.
Majority.
No.
You invite him.
When they because you can decide to honor or not. No,
but
you can decide to honor or not.
So case in you are. Dabiti. Case in you are. Obia invite you. The moment they be invited,
so what's the impulse of your argument?
Good. So what I'm saying is that maame no foma ye ti say wa foma ama ni case akodi ho no eni nti na invite no on from ya ye invite oh ye invite you na say wa foma on wasema ba ye invite you
no that's the right statement
good on wasema ba ye invite you enti bomode ne say invitation na ye de ama ho bra ye invite you
ne be you ano
ye invite you ukoduru ho no per the case no nti the first thing I can say you are under arrest yacho near the case in abo enti wana wo be you ano that's what be am for case mo oh say case all correct
allow him man making the point what is this allow him please
oh tie oh David tie they make nyina ne say yes say arrest ni wie no ye amo conduct investigations mbacho ye ne nko ni fie nyina mbacho ye mfa ma me ne nko ni fie nyina enko ye ho enhu sika eno ye se kan afoforo kora se ma be kan and is it true oh is it not true say akohu 17 million US dollars
hey I don't say figure no yan wen
mame
menya
papa tie
Papa Ghana you faming mama me
Papa tie sa information we na e pop up sika e kwa ko hunu maame ne ho ene de ye kan a ye use 5 hours ni
na have not been any figure
mbajo
so 17 million
no
million probable
mbajo tie
obi o be
oh tie
me tie
and is it not true say o wasema okay enti say ye to abawie na seke wo ye collation wa ha e wa mo studios e o na mu say at the end no e bia nipa we na awe ne enti mo twa
collation nyina bam ne nyango
oh David tio the example na me make you
okay
o say presenter no abeka asem bi wa bontin no mo ntin free special prosecutor ho enti no de o mo hu ni say no kore e na me make you presenter no kra nka figure e na me so maka figure a kire o e na me say oh mbajo tie media personalities or mokofie ho mbajo say the media were allowed to go there and obi akọ no no hu nsem e ho no report about bontin and with a special prosecutor no adding information
that back no credit me say report to bia no abosika bia din me hu
and I me tell say maka to wo hwehwem na obehu
my we say report bia no
me say koso hwehwem this figure will come
me maka to we
me tell say me no tie ya na me tell say sa papa yi nsem ya aba special prosecutor ko hu enkosi aga me kan na asem bo me samba biem no obeto me de na me kan no so na me tell say all these figures have come out enti me maka you market if say no kura ni ma you see it no kura ma e be ba ma wo afre me aka me say kwabana sa wasem na na wo kan no neso wasen adibem enti me nia nsem na e ko na ye kan nyina no justification no amode ba ni nyina e bi anya adwuma to the standard whether ma me no is established well established in the society now that doesn't matter now the case na aba ne say Ghana mra mu kura no sika bi ete sa wo wu fie kura na e wo nsem a emra etimi no etena ase etwetwe nsem wo so oti ase ukwa ko yi sika o banka e wo quantum of money anybody be say edru ni nyina wo Ghana mra mu ana anya sa so in the first place the woman has heard sika no kura na e kwa ko hunu wo wu fie
no there's no court of competent jurisdiction
omunya
ultimate metna so obi have heard
there basis na they can what I'm saying is that
obi have heard take the battery
say sika brosa e danem pass de Ghana mra ne yanya ko hu se da ho ne de wafom so what you say
Ghana mra so team first can do
but quantum no so what you
say there is not true
meaning I hear
it's not true
what I order from me call Mate media
from bank
enti minia tio said the Ghana mrati me susu say ye de ma me no ebe fa so wo de ye mfa ne say we kan we yase anya no kore say akode ye kan yase anya no kore me kan yase bi nya no kore enti for now if ye kasa be bi kura na wo say support na betimi a kire de ma me no so why don't we keep quiet and wait for what the court will bring on board, and we all go by that. Good. Oh, but special prosecutor to so many there. I know. Or investigate, and at the end.
Or establishing anything to be.
Oh, I'm saying that. Saying you know, special prosecutor, I'm not going to
make a toss.
I'm not going to use you. And you are not money there at the end, no. Or no. Over prosecuting na ebe court. Sorry,
Mama Mouse. Metie for no ya me papa.
What me mia minister no dey. Wa ma ya ni anye kwa. Angel mama kakra na kabi. Mama kakra na kabi. Na we dey me ba be kan. Wa
o time wa exhausted time.
Angel dia me be kan and one na so be kan into them amen kan me ka wi na de kakra to ase
8 minutes
seke dia wo ho nyina ne se seke me nu angel onya nto wase asem no dia wo ho ne se special prosecutor office no se otisa asem aba e wo public interest asem aba hey you know when you go to the financial sector se one kasa with the sikabi bro an amount I think 20,000 or more ekoto banker you state the source as sikani free it is to check anti-money laundering say biem ukwa you sika free banker and not there say 300 billion kwa na do account na so ko yi ni nyina obia there's nothing like signing for anti-money laundering bibia because how could you say 300 billion if you account ma no chana o say they akoto another account which is the financial sector omuni say obeso wo shiskana they will ask you say 300 billion na o say they abeto bank ni free. That is how the money laundering system net here. And is sikana there wo betuma nya ska bro say mienu ma na wo da ho obi anu ni asem entiamra but they are only calling her to ask her questions because or a political figure or a public figure, and so they just want to understand say where is the source say you says can free because as public is a politicians, you know, they have that former or a second fail by now. State say yes, can be say free. So they are only doing that at least to sanitize the system, to give confidence to the citizenry. But it's not as if we say why you bonnet. I feel a special prosecutor a prima facie. So when you be there, obey na court. But when you be obey jana na baby.
Thanks for the education. Kwabna kwekwana metie for no abeng meline so abeng. Meline so abeng. Kwabna meline so abeng en ntem ma.
Miniati.
Ethiopia.
Won say mama yasem ya ye kan. Enya me no mienu asem bi na ye kan.
That be.
Mama no a part of government. Yen ye di yen ye sika etua neka. You see Auditor General and Kapanyini be a bedi or Baba public worker. I'm your Chianaka or declare the assets. Are you getting the point? Or time on your minister no or assets ben an hour. Sikaben and now what down pass. All these things and Antimian pop up. And Yamia Ghana for Adam.
We all know that. We all know that problems exist. Ghana politicians, the brain end is in diploma.
Oh, what we say? We say I take Ghana. We didn't bet my copy them.
No, 0543 990 0247 990. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Secretary.
My boss, Mami Tiano pay.
Secretary, Madam Mangani.
Who that bra?
That's it. Nansa that yemo. Namin here that your phone. And me here, Annable, and the follower, I'm your chairman, Annable Buffalo here, and a cabinet of a family, and a common president, and it was soon, your tenant can say no million to not be a boom. Your vice president, Namudu, I like it for me. Now, maybe that's it. And this woman, oh, Mama, Ghana, and now you are some and you, I don't know. And this the moon say we are no correct. That you. This time who no correct our done and draw the which are within it. Now me but I say to court and your friend saying we woman say woman go to fear among farm. Ayan no, Ghana ska agwa amafo dem pa o. The car agwa amafo dem na so andu so ayehu. Ndekwa me tie no say, yes lawyer bi awo be say akọ bawom ayi woska lista aya $140,000. Won, nyina no anya say amami we nkwa na ska ase ne fie. Amafo ska ase amafo fie. Adoso, this for me because this what the so nyame aka no koya.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Akye.
Yes, my boss.
Abraham Pondi adi mi butu siatre.
Ebre, mamintio.
Medase. Kaka me ka de say, mamini kan chia. Yura anabo Ignatius bafo wa. Onini akwisia me acheme. Binya chama e chiano. Ogini. Menchia Yura kwajo chairman ten. Se asia hin ne to ahin ko
na be che bi.
Fidi nyuma no on to be mpete. Se ne be ya na no kodoma life factory any buta not wo. Bisu so yeso. Na emfa koka no nyina mra wiye. Ogini maminka asem. Mami ese ni o mentie ni mienu. Nkwa na abekoko wia mami sika no. Gana fo yeso msen. Na ebe papa se Ibe process na better this year na be yedwa woni fe no ntwa kana umfa kwati kwane burukata kwanso nwa mami nyame charge special prosecutor say or him eni nti say ya no kasa ye ne kan semboni gu mami so na be wie ne nti sha na te ya bua tantia boni na kwa na ye na wo se mu me yesin kire yesia dia sa na ye ka ne enye na enye.
Your point is well noted. I can and if you are my family, I was saying, "Mama, yet cause me." Unfortunately, I was screen and him there time me for you. I'm not my body. I was saying, "You are not in here." PM. Say me ba hani edi ni birthday ba akobi. Hey, enti so mpanya 1 year mu ani o. Me ba say ni yire ade aduane bi ba me edi. Ana sugar mboa. No na me nya nhya ase. Ba me ba na say mu di aduane bi wo ho. Awo na poku mu office o. Awo no office o. For come me sign we is be. Akora body. Oh, microphone in them gas it. And then Papa Clef birthday. Happy glorious birthday. Papa, you are a guy. Oh, Papa, who be your Facebook by force? Do not cry for me. I will be Papa Clef. Papa, you also go this of who? Cat Papa also a praise of mechanical. Mr. Akwesi Atachum Berma and a gun and you are taking over. Mirror, I don't pay and a cat there. On TPG so on TPG back I be pigeon or tias. What me why do because say hey I hear no man tias and I'm saying I'm going to Yera programs manager programs has some perfect Akwesi Atachum Berema we are Checheni our Notre Dame they attack Notre Dame I want to teacher ni what idea. Glorious birthday to you, boss. Or 2 for young cropon. Or no, shira will be intimate no man. That young coupon no shira. Or my neck a sick of Prince or Beck as a pa. Adea be a dawa kuma sono. Yami man in Bem. As the son of the prophet, I decree and declare. Say you will continue to shine. I am a woman in Brafo and they have it. Say, Kid, for you. Glorious birthday, boss. We love you. When you're faking him, you're original. I know why I know, but we're the original. I love you. When you're there, where Anastasia? Oh, gay one. Glorious birthday to you, Anastasia. Today is your birthday, and I wish you a glorious birthday. Such a beautiful lady, Anastasia. Glorious, glorious birthday. Move. And our birthday, Joe Bullet. Formerly my programs manager at BATV. God bless you, Joe Bullet. And our birthday, Mr. Joe Bullet. Keep off. He's a married man. Glorious birthday to you, Joe Bullet. I love you so much. Move. And our birthday, Efia Sika. Efia, glorious birthday to you. I think not you, Philos. Glorious birthday to you, Efia. First for the so mom, happy birthday. Oh, down for Auntie Melissa Efia, my glorious birthday. Efia, when you fe, Yankupon Shawati, Yankupon Amount Koso. Now you can say, enjoy the grace. Glorious birthday, Mammy Afia. My phone. I got last one. Okay, now your birthday, PM Babomine. Now, I want to say, Bright Mensa Junior, now your birthday. Bright. Glorious birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
For 17 games, na said what funny in a tom pepe. Who be disika pori 16,500,000 Ghana cedis. For one CD, 50 pesos a petroso. Bet one yansemu. So one if you do what you and Trebi. Kaise and Shishaka Crow. Gaming Commission of Ghana and Sashas. That way, a good you know who don't ya.
21st clinic say eba sciatica no every usisimu konoa woto ase ho no ntirina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo hu ba bia enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o yade no masa de machine aka ho yade bibiduro ka ho ne asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ye wi a herbal treatment yade awono ama ho eye sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wo tu ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho enkran domi market wo ho heavy do dan ni mo ho ena kuma senso ahia